In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the color workspace in your video editing software and make basic and creative adjustments to your clips using the Lumetri color panel. Let's dive right in and get started with creating the perfect color correction for your project. First, you'll want to focus on opening the color workspace. You can do this by navigating to Window, then Workspaces, and selecting Color from the drop-down menu. By doing this, you'll open the Lumetri color panel, and often the Lumetri scopes as well. The Lumetri color panel is where you'll have control over color correction. It's important to ensure that your clip is selected in the timeline so that any adjustments you make will apply directly to it. Now, let's move on to basic correction. In this section, you'll adjust the technical aspects of your video. Start by going to the Basic Correction tab in the Lumetri panel. Here, you have a few key settings to tweak. White balance, which includes temperature and tint, will help correct any color cast in your footage. Next, play around with the exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks to position your image within the proper tonal range. You may want to adjust saturation or vibrance to control the intensity of colors. A quick tip here. If your software has an auto button, you can use it as a starting point and then fine-tune these settings manually for a more polished look. Once you're satisfied with the basic corrections, it's time to express your artistic vision through creative adjustments. Remain in the Lumetri panel and shift your focus to the Creative section. Here, you can apply a look, or LUT, adjust its intensity, and play around with the stylizing effects. If you're looking to shape contrast and color more precisely, make use of the curves options like RGB curves and hue saturation curves. You can also explore color wheels and match, where you can individually adjust the shadows, midtones, and highlights for a customized color cast and creative look. For more targeted adjustments, take advantage of the secondary color correction tools. Use the HSL secondary tools to pick a specific color range through the eyedropper tool and then adjust the hue, saturation, and luminance of that range only. This is particularly useful for fine-tuning details like skin tones or specific colors you want to emphasize or tone down. If you have two shots with different lighting, you may wonder, how can I make them look consistent? The color match feature is your solution for that. It's always a smart idea to utilize scopes to double-check your work. In the Lumetri Scopes panel, monitor waveforms for luma and vector scopes for color saturation to ensure you're not clipping whites or blacks or oversaturating. You can also toggle the effects on and off to compare the before and after visuals, ensuring you achieve the desired result. Once you've nailed your correction on one clip, save time by applying it to multiple clips. Copy the Lumetri effect and then use Paste Attributes to other clips. Alternatively, apply your settings to an adjustment layer so that your entire project maintains a consistent look. Last but not least is finalizing everything with some final tweaks before export. Make sure to check your output settings, like color space and output levels, to ensure nothing is clamped or clipped. Following these steps, you should now have a beautifully color-corrected project ready for export. With this workflow, you can dramatically improve the quality and consistency of your footage, achieving the professional results you aim for.